TUF Gaming's Z490 Plus Wi-Fi has toughened up for Intel's 10th gen processors. Cloaked in a gray and black finish with yellow camo accents, this board features a 6-layer PCB design that helps cool critical components, providing more headroom to push CPUs beyond stock speeds. Engineered with military-grade components, we powered up the VRM using a 12+2 teamed power stage design, DR-MOS, for the most reliable power delivery. Massive heatsinks keep essential circuitry chill. 2 at the top, covering the VRM and choke areas, and a full-length M.2 heatsink sits at the bottom. To the right of the CPU socket, we have 4 DDR4 DIMM slots for up to 128GB of RAM. And, thanks to our OptimM2 design, we improved memory overclocking performance with speeds up to 4600 MHz. The rear I/O panel includes USB 3.2 Gen 2 ports in both Type A and Type C form factors. The TUF LAN guard protects the Gigabit Ethernet controller against ESD. You also get Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.1 connectivity. The onboard audio is outfitted with the Realtek S1200A to enhance the sonic space depending on the type of game you're playing. Whether it's guns, spells, or vehicles you're hearing, you'll be able to pinpoint their location with accuracy. To expand your system even further, you'll find a USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type C front panel connector, dual M.2 slots, and 2 PCI 3.0x16 slots, one featuring our SafeSlot metal reinforced design for added peace of mind when you're transporting your machine to a tournament. There are 2 strips of RGB LED lighting running along the right side that can be tweaked using our Aura Sync software. 3 strip headers, including a Gen 2 addressable header, allow you to customize your rig however you like. First time builder? Build with confidence. The TUF Gaming Alliance is a collaboration with ASUS and trusted industry component brands to ensure better stability, compatibility, and durability from components to case. The road to victory is tough.